Okay, my internet died. My internet died. It died for like 20-30 minutes, so nothing I can do about it, but I got the fix. So what I realized what was happening is that we were actually overshooting the target because I didn't cap the lerp between start and target position to 1. So I was slightly overshooting the target and then clipping into the stairs. So that was the bug, and now we are bug free. It's storming outside, so it might get bad. But we are bug free. We are... The stairs have been conquered. Except for the odd thing here. Which, you know, there still is this. Kind of rare, get stuck in it. But it's not the same bug as before. It's not the same bug, so... we could actually cap it at like 0.95 F or something. Maybe that's good. I don't know. Okay, maybe I was early on saying that it's over. If I had to guess, we're probably... What am I thinking of doing next? Probably just... I want to model my old apartment building. Because I think that would be pretty fun. I think that would be pretty fun. I think right now the thing is that our legs go to places where we may be inside of a wall, which is kind of annoying because they don't really have player radius. Like, we have a player radius, the legs don't when they do their raycast. And so it's possible that it could push us into a wall, which it does, I believe, here. But yeah, I think what might help us though is if I do this, the move foot after we resolve collisions, possibly. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I want to make my old apartment building. I think it would be fun. How long have I been playing guitar? I've been playing music kind of most of my life. That's what I went to school for. But I don't think I'm like a great guitarist necessarily. I'm just like write songs or whatever. It's not like it's not like I know guitar, if that makes sense. Okay, never mind. The bug is still here. The bug is still here. I think that we're gonna ignore it though. Because I don't know how to... So assume I've been self-taught? For computer science, yeah. I mean, I took a class in high school for it. But Yeah. Um, yeah, I think I'll probably just model now because I don't know how to fix this bug. I have to like stare at it late at night for like an hour and then just play around with it until I figure out what's happening. But I assume that we're getting pushed into the wall by defeat raycast, and then we can't get out of it. We just get kind of stuck because of the collision. But the walking feels fine now, I guess. Hey, what's up, George Bush? Yeah, I mean, it feels fine. I'm trying to recreate it, but I'm failing at recreating it, which is probably my sign that it's probably fine. All right, let's change the skybox because I don't really like this skybox. I'm not gonna lie. Let's change it to 3 again. Okay, so that's cool. Stairs. Okay. I despise making what we're about to make. I feel like it's just going to be really hard to make what we're about to make, but I suck at Blender, just to let everyone know before we go on this journey of making my old apartment building. Before we go on this journey. Okay, so obviously we want to start with something like this. Obviously. Now, the way it is that it's definitely like, dude, you got to work with me here. Yeah, I should have just, like, yeah, like that, exactly. Exactly. It's something like that, right? Except higher. I mean, this is pretty massive, I'm not gonna lie. But that's all right. We can scale it down later. Actually, I mean, let's just do it right now. All right, the origin is already fucked up. Okay. I mean, the origin is already fucked up for it, but we'll just ignore it. We'll just ignore it for now. Okay, so in the front, we have the door and shit. If I push a cylinder through and boolean it, does it do it all the way, or can I do it halfway? That's a good question. I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna work, not gonna lie, but I might as well try it. I don't think it's gonna work, But I gotta try it. I gotta give it a shot. What's the goal of my project? My game engine, my game. I do want to make a game. It's a long way away from doing so, but the physics, the film, there's a lot of cool things about the engine that are kind of unique, and I want to play to that strength, Okay, so if I apply this, oh my god, Boolean modifier is the coolest thing ever. That is really cool. Okay, so then we have to model the inside and Boolean it. Yeah, maybe this isn't the way to do it. Maybe we just inset a face on the top and then just push it down. That's probably the better way of doing it, to be honest. So that's what we're going to do. I always forget what the command is. Shift spacebar. Yeah, like how do you remember that? Or it's I. But I guess I'm too stupid to know I. That's actually a very important thing that we're doing there. I think we definitely want it very thin. Okay. Right, we have to extrude this down. There have to be steps up to it, so you don't want to put it on the ground. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Now we just have to carve out the door, which is going to be non-trivial, I feel like. And do that stuff. I wonder if I should do like a separate mesh for the stairs and shit going up to it. Maybe we can use these stairs. That would be neat. Get some use out of the stairs. I kind of have a feeling that that's like almost a complete match, actually. That's crazy. Crazy how it works out like that, I guess. Something like that. I mean, it is a bit big compared to the steps. Do you have to let it linger? How much Blender experience do I have? Like none. I suck at Blender, like legendarily. Like the amount of suck is just insanely intense. I'm just not very good at it. But that's all right, because gotta learn somehow, you know? It's not gonna teach itself. I don't know what I'm talking about, by the way. I'm just literally saying words. Have I tried Vulkan, or do I just do my thing in OpenGL? I have old hardware. If I knew hardware, then I would give Vulkan a try, I guess. But I don't even have hardware that can do, like what everybody talked about with Vulkan. Like I can't even use those features. So to me, Vulkan is kind of useless. OpenGL just straight up works better on my hardware. So that's the reason I use OpenGL, is because I have a computer from 8 years ago that I do everything on, including stream. Yeah, I need to not do this. Can I default? How do you make it curved again? M width type. No. There we go. There we go. What version? It is I use 4.3, or I tried to, but I use 4.6 for some things in the engine. For bindless mainly because of MDI, I have to. But I'm hoping to get rid of it, to be honest, because I don't like being on 4.6. Because like the whole point is to not be on 4.6 for reasons that are pretty obvious given my stuff. I appreciate you saying that is cool. Most people come in here and say to me, like, one of two things: why are you coding in C? Don't you know C++ exists? Or they say, why aren't you using Vulkan? OpenGL sucks. It's like one of the two things. So much that I think I hate Vulkan now just because of those people. I think it's ruined it for me. So okay, I have no clue what I'm doing, but it's kind of working. It is kind of working. We are going to have to maneuver the stairs, though, a bit. Okay, you know, maybe we do have to... Yeah, I don't think I like the doorway. I really don't think I like the doorway. We're going to go back on that. I'm going to go back on that because I don't really like it. I think I'm going to SY this to make it slimmer and then make it taller a bit. I feel like the doorway is kind of a big decision, you know? Made your project in OpenGL 3.3. Yeah, 3.3 is a classic for sure. There are a few things that are in 4.0 that are just like really important for me though. For some things. I'm dreading fucking with the stairs, to be honest. That's what I'm dreading right now. I'm dreading it. But I think that this is fine. Yeah, I mean, I have to fuck with the stairs somehow. It's either you make them tiny or... I think we'll just make them tiny. I don't know. I don't know if we'll be able to step on them, though. It's kind of the question. I don't know if we're capable of stepping on stairs that's tiny. We'll have to see. We can actually just export this and see right now. Could not calculate tangents. Yeah. I'm all over it. Okay. Can we step? Okay. We are lagging because of the fucking thing. Okay, so there appears to be an issue with the code that we just wrote, which is that we're stuck at the origin. Which is really not good. That's really not good. I have to assume that it has to do with player pause equals leg pause and leg pause not moving. So, yeah. That's what I'm going to assume. Yeah. But now we won't be able to go up the stairs. Yeah. Because, yeah, we can't go up the stairs now. Because of that decision. Okay, so... Yo, what's up, 3-leg chair? OpenGL is 100 times more enjoyable experience. Yeah, probably. I've never done it. Yeah, it puts us at the origin because our legs are at the origin. No, it's fine. It's fine. We just have to move our legs when we reset the skeleton. It's fine. When we exit out of no clip and press U, player pause equals current pause. Reset skeleton. We need to put our legs. We need to put our legs there too. So left leg player.skeleton.left leg. Okay, so it is in there. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. It is storming outside, so the power might go out, which I'm not really excited about, but I'm doing all right. We're doing stairs. Okay, we appear to be stuck. That's not good. We appear to be stuck. We appear to be stuck. Okay, we're going up the stairs, kind of. Yeah, I think it's hard with stairs this steep. Yeah. It's difficult with stairs this steep. Miss a lot of object-oriented programming concepts. You'd be surprised. I don't really, unless I'm doing like UI stuff and need inheritance for like callbacks or whatever, I don't really miss it that much. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just the size of the stairs. Like, if I make these big again, then I'm pretty sure that we'll be fine. I'm trying to do WA in Blender. My my muscle memory is so serious for Helix that when I need to save in other programs, I do WA. Why am I getting Suck towards 0, 0. I guess it's probably because my legs were stepping. I need to clear their state, probably. Yeah, I need to clear their state. Your ad is playing USA's anthem. Okay, maybe I made it too big. Okay, yeah, maybe I made it too big. God fucking damn it. The steps thing is so touchy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think the steps feature is ready to ship. See, there you go. That we're going up the stairs. So I'm not crazy. We can go upstairs. It's just sometimes we get unfortunately stuck in them like that. We shouldn't worry about it. We should keep working, I think, on this. We'll figure it out later. We always do. I hate to do this, but I think that it would look better if they were like this. Maybe that's crazy though. I don't know. Strike 3 for the compile times. What about the compile times? Do you not have a make file? Or are you talking about it's still bad with that? Okay, I've had enough. We gotta do the inside, I guess. We gotta do the inside, I guess. So we need 2 walls that go up the building. That's obviously necessary. Now, how am I gonna make the 2 walls? I don't know. I'm tempted to just loop cut it, but I feel like that's terribly horrifying to do so. That is terribly horrifying to do so. But I think that might be what we have to do. Something like that. I wish that it made me not from this perspective. That would be very, I would be grateful for that. Okay, but now we need the other faces for it. So we have to do 2 more loop cuts and then just SY it to that. And now we sort of have it. And now we just want to extrude this all the way back up. It's kind of cursed how the topology is, I'm not gonna lie. But I guess it's fine. I think you want that, maybe not. Maybe we want each floor to have its own thing anyway, its own walls. So you probably want to do it. Mine was 4 stories. Doing them by hand is probably cursed. That's 4. Oh, it didn't loop cut it from within. Yeah, this is gonna get cursed, I think. This is gonna get cursed. Okay, let's just do it from the inside then. I seem to know a lot about many aspects. No, I didn't. I just read a lot of shit, I guess, online. Now Blender I wish I knew about. I wish they taught that in school. That would be good. That's what I need help with, man. This shit is cursed. That's really impressive, thank you. Okay. We have the stories. We have the stories. Okay. Here we go. You learned Maya in school? Yeah, that. You must be so lucky. I am so lost. So lost. I would give that over a computer science degree, bro. Like, it's hard. It's really hard. Hard surface modeling. Yeah, I did some Thomas Potter tutorials. Now you have to do IT. That's unlucky. It's probably better to have a job than to not have a job, though. You feel me? You feel me on that one? Okay, so the worst part about this is that we have to put stairs in this shit. Polyfjord? I'll look them up then. How am I gonna put stairs in this shit? Are you telling me that I have to maneuver the camera in here, bro? That's not gonna happen. That is not gonna happen. This is not gonna happen. Fuck. Fuck. Oh no. I don't want to do fucking stairs in here. Are you kidding me? That's fucking terrible. Alright, let's think about it. So I kinda want to, I think we just loop cut in the middle. Hear me out on that. We just loop cut in the middle and then just extrude the half this over here. We just split this into, hey, what's up, Paul? We just split this into quadrants. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Okay, you're gonna freak me the fuck out if you don't give me the fucking loop cut down the middle. Come on, come on. Blender, I need this. I need this one so bad. You don't know what you're gonna do to me if I don't have this. You're gonna make me subdivide it, aren't you? You fucking bastard. You rat bastard. Alright, we're gonna subdivide it. Yeah, exactly. That's all we care about. And I'm just gonna grab these two and push them back. And then that's gonna be the stairwell. Okay. Okay. We got there. So, naturally the stairs have to go up and then platform and then go up like that. How did my staircase work in my apartment building? I don't even, I know that it went up and then around, right? Yeah. Yeah, no doubt. But so this is one floor. So this is a massive building, by the way. This is fucking insanely big, by the way. Holy shit. But this is gonna go up. Maybe we needed to think about the logistics a little bit of the whole situation. Because now I feel like honestly, I think I'm gonna bring the bottom up. No one said that it was going to be easy, but no one said that it was going to be hard. Coldplay. Lock in. No, but we're just shifting the problem upwards because we're going to have the same problem up there. Yeah. Actually, you know what? We'll do a half staircase. We'll do a half staircase. What's the goal? The goal is to get stairs in the apartment building. That's what the goal is. That is what the goal is. I think what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do a half staircase idea where we don't go up one floor on one staircase and we do 1, 1, 1, 1. That makes sense. So we'll do one here with which transitions straight into the other one, and then yeah. Something like that. Gotta happen. Yeah, and then you just bevel this and do the steps thing. Okay. I kind of hate it, I'm not gonna lie. We need a lot more steps. Like, let's be fucking real here. This is a big staircase. Okay, that looks good. That looks actually perfect. That looks perfect. Don't think too hard about it. Now just move everything. No, you're completely incorrect here. Move everything. Okay, well that's fucking terrible because this selected for some reason. I don't know why I'm doing that. Just do this. Okay, so we have our first platform. That's the platform. And then we're going to have a staircase going the other way. And then this will have like a doorway down here. We won't worry too much about it. But we need this to come over. We need this to come over. How am I gonna fucking do that? How about this? Extrude the top edge. You're so right about this. You're so right about that. And then extrude it down. You're so right. Of course you're right. Modeling is hard. Why do I feel like the normals are going to be a fucking terror on this? I feel like the normals are going to be a terror on this. Also, this is so not connected and it's so bad. Like, this is going to be so bad. This is going to be so fucking bad. Like, dude, this is going to be... Who turned the lights off? Do I have a light that I can put in here? We can make one. I need to see what's happening in here. Okay, so we appear to have some normals issues. See, this is exactly what I was worried about. I knew that there would be some issues in here. There are a few issues with it. It does look kind of cool in there, though. But yeah, we have to let's just simply just do the classic where the fuck is it? Normals, recalculate outside. Fantastic. Okay, now let's just see. Okay, it's no longer a horror. It probably was before. It may actually be that we can't, that the mesh is not triangulatable. I'd need to make another light in here so that I don't have to keep making it every time. To make it easier on you now, you got someone to blame. Well, it's too late tonight. Okay, yeah, I don't know why the surfaces are black. We can check the normals in here just to see. Well, obviously I'm not normalizing this correctly. God fucking damn it. Okay, it's just too bright. It's too bright to even see the normals. Okay. So the normals are fine. The normals are fine. It's possibly the UVs, I guess. Okay, no, it's not. Oh, it might be the fact that our normal map is... Yeah. We don't have a normal map, and so it defaults to the default normal map, but we don't have tangents. So if we don't have tangents, then things just end up like this. So yeah. I can prove it if I just do this. Yeah. And now everything is fucked up, but you know, fucked up in a discernible manner. Okay. The light. It is pouring outside. It is pouring. Isn't it Alt N? I can't do Alt N because unfortunately I'm not allowed to. You have a love-hate relationship with matrices? Why? Why is this forward? Why is that forward? You're so... but I can't be holding on to what you got when all you got is hurt. I was yeah, they're neat though. I feel like I didn't plan this out well enough. Like, this is such a massive fucking building, like, seriously. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I think we're gonna bring this forward. We're gonna bring it forward. We're gonna bite the bullet and bring it forward. And re-bevel it, probably. Does our undo even go back that far? Probably not. We probably shouldn't even try. I mean, maybe we don't have to re-bevel it, but we definitely do have to bring it forward. I wish that it actually selected it. Alright, peace out. Thanks for being here. This is fucking terrible. What the fuck am I doing? Unselect this. What's so funny? What are you? Do you find it funny, huh? Alright, I think we gotta redo the inside. I think we have to redo the inside. I'm not gonna lie. This is not working. This is not fucking working. That was not the right idea. It's good that we tried it, and it's good that we gave it a shot, but that was not the right idea, okay? That was not the right idea. Okay. Hear me out. Okay, before we subdivide this, we're gonna subdivide into 2 cuts. Here's why. We want to have a little bit in the middle. I think we want to have a little bit in the middle. Okay? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I always think that I'm getting better at Blender, and then I'm sorely reminded of the fact that I suck fucking balls at it. And then I just get owned. We'll have a door here, and then this will be the staircase, and then it'll go above here. Owned by stairs. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty fucking much. Yeah. I think this is what we're gonna do. We'll just extrude this up. to the fucking ceiling? No, we're gonna do half and half. We will do half and half. And then we bevel this. Boom. Look at that. That's just fucking beautiful, isn't it? We need some more subdivisions though. I'm not gonna hold me. We need more. Those stairs are too big. Boom. Perfect stairs. Holy shit. Could not have asked for more perfect stairs. Perfect. We won't even think too hard about it. Fuck thinking hard about it. That's for posers. We're going to extrude the top edge, just like my friend told me earlier. Okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay. The top edge has been extruded. We just got to make sure that this shit is... just like a little bit in the wall is fine. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do what we failed to do before, which is extrude this face downwards now. I feel like this should be... maybe have this go up this way. Dude, I like... Bro, I don't know. Like, this feels empty now. And then you're gonna have a whole staircase? Nah, this has to go up. This has to go up, brother. We cannot be doing that. Hold on. Extrude the whole fucking thing up. All of it. All of it goes up. All of it goes up. Boom. Boom. And I can't be holding on to what you got when all you got is hurt. One love. One life. Maybe this will be a floor. It's so massive. It's so massive. Why did I make it so big? Fuck. Okay, now this goes into the ceiling. We gotta carve out the ceiling. Oh wait, did I do it all? Oh my god. Delete the faces. I was short-sighted on that, for sure. It's a bit short-sighted on it. That's okay. That's okay. It's fine. It's fine. We'll figure it out. How ruined are things in here? Pretty bad. Pretty bad. But that's alright. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Maybe I should have made this in like AutoCAD or something. I feel like probably be easier to make something like this in AutoCAD. The trick to Blender, I feel like, is just not thinking too hard about it. Just like kind of like chill. You know what I mean? Like as long as you're chill, it's chill, you know? Now that's a fucked up stair. Boom. Fixed. Chill. Absolutely chill. I'm zen right now. We want to get some extra room in here for sure. But I feel like the easiest way to go from here is to probably just extrude across. But you just don't get a lot of room then. But that's probably fine. That's probably fine. Maybe we can cut out more later. Honestly, yeah, just extrude this upwards and then just delete the faces, bro. And now you're just we're just vibed. Just absolutely vibed. Vibed out right now. Boom. So this edge is the tricky one, and then you connect these. Oh. Okay, it's fucking ruined, by the way. It's fucking ruined. Everything is ruined in here. It's awful. Wait, actually, it's so fine. Just cover it up like this and we're chilling. Oh, but the whole fucking front of the building is gone. Okay, we're just gonna undo this. And we'll just bevel it out later. We'll just bevel it out later. How about that? We'll do the detailing on it later. Because I don't really trust this very much. The topology on that, bro, just seems a little bit weird. A little bit weird. Whoa, that looks badass. Oh my god, don't do that. Isn't that sick? Dude, that's sick. That's fucking cool. That is fucking cool, man. Now, is it realistic? No, but we're not going for realistic here. What do you think? Do you think that this is a realistic type of building? Well, let me tell you, you got some weird expectations of what is real, bro, because this is not a real building, bro. Real buildings don't fucking look like this. Trust me, I've been in buildings, bro. I've been in buildings my whole life. I've never seen a building quite like this before. I would love to bevel it. However, it needs to be different. For now, it's alright. Let's just keep it this way. Whatever. Whatever, he says as he makes the most atrocious fucking building of all time. Nah, I think I'm overreacting. I think it's okay so far actually. It's just kind of, you know. Dude, this is gonna be so cool, and then we're gonna put like giant ass windows in this thing and have light flooding in, and it's gonna be like cool as fuck. Just wait, bro. It's gonna be so worth it. He said as he has no clue what the fuck he's doing. There's no railings. Fuck your railings, bro. I am having a thunderstorm, yes. I am. I am having a thunderstorm. It is thunderstorming indeed. Indeedy doobly. Indeedy doobly. We gotta move the whole goddamn thing up. Huh? Gotta move the whole goddamn thing up. Not the whole goddamn thing, I lied. How did I do this one? God damn it. I have to separate them. Yeah, I probably should have done these as two different things, huh? I don't know. Maybe I just have to delete the faces, bro. We're selecting vertices. Uh-oh. Okay. 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 Are these... Does this have an edge? It does. It does. It absolutely does. So this is what we have to bevel. To match it below, I think. Now, I may be wrong, but I think that this is what bevels, yeah? Like, how did I do this before? No, this one does have to be higher. It does. Please bevel it. Please. Okay. Okay, I'm giving up. I give 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 up. It won't be the same. It won't be the same on both sides, and that's fine. It's fine because I'm the architect, and I say it's fine. Okay. We're one, but we're not the same. Well, we hurt each other, then we do it again. You say, love is a center. I've had one by U2 stuck in my head for like 2 days now. So, sorry for offending everybody with that song. It's just stuck in my head, okay? So, that's just how it is. That's just how that is. That's just the way it is. That's just how things go. However the fucking song goes, bro. I'm realizing that you can't really have this thin, like, fucking platform here. You have to have something here. Yeah. You have to I'm gonna extrude this and then bevel it. Watch this shit. It's gonna be crazy. Extrude up. And then let's just see what it looks like when we bevel it. But do it with this. Yeah, now we're fucking talking, bro. This is gonna be the most topsy-turvy fucking building of all time. Dude. What are we doing? What are we fucking doing? What is this? What is this? It's art. I said it's art. I said it. I said it's art. That's what I said. Okay, now how are we connecting this shit? That's a good question. Okay, we have to connect it before we bevel it, obviously. You ask me to enter, but then you make me fall. And I can't be holding on to what you got when all you got is hurt. Dude, if you don't fucking select the edge, I'm gonna have a crash out right now live on stream. Oh my god. Why? Never mind. It looks cool as fuck. So we're just gonna keep it, bro. Oh, that's sick. That is fucking sick. I fuck with it. I fuck with it heavy, actually. I fuck with it heavy. Now, the topology is incredibly fucked up for the foreseeable future on the top of this. That is very true. That is very true. I kind of want to see what it's like in engine, but to do so we have to triangulate it, and we have to apply the Boolean modifier. I'm gonna save this as stair 2 before I apply the Boolean modifier. We have to triangulate this. Oh my god. That looks cursed as fuck. Well, that's a cool gradient. I don't know about all the black stuff. That doesn't look normal? Oh, you did a normal joke. Okay, got it. Yeah, I know. The building doesn't look normal as well, and so I was just, putting 2 and 2 together. That's inside the wall, so it doesn't matter. The normals are fucked up, though. Like, we have to take a serious look at them. Come on, go up the stairs, you fucking freak. Thank you. God. The stair walking stuff, let me tell you, it's absolutely terrifying. The stair walking stuff. Okay, it's okay, buddy. You got a little bit stuck. That's fine. Find your way out of it. Oh no. Yeah, we have to fix the normals. I don't know what the fuck is the problem with the normals here. Dude, I feel like that could look sick if things didn't look so terrible. Like, this could look sick if the normals were right. Let's try n equals original normal and not the tangent normal. There we go. Now they're fixed. Dude, this would look so fucking sick. Also, if the shadow map didn't have the stupid fucking Peter Panning going on, that would be sick. You just gotta add a little bit of a bias there. No, down. And then it fucks up the stairs, so. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that one, bro. Yeah, we have to figure that out. In render, point light, the shadow map point light stuff. Do I do cold front faces. Yeah, maybe we need a not cold front faces so that we can avoid that stuff. Dude, it kind of looks sick in here. It kind of looks absolutely rad. We don't even have our lookup table on. Holy shit, with the lookup table, everything is so bright. Jesus. And then you turn the bloom on, and now we're cooking. Quite a flashbang in here, huh? Yeah, my lookup table really pumps the fucking brightness. Honestly, I like this way more than the last thing I made, that's for sure. It feels... Oh, watermelon? Yeah. It feels non-Euclidean. Yeah, I wish I could walk up the stairs without getting my ass kicked though. Hold on a second. I don't want to flashbang you or anything, but there appears to be a spider that is just webbing down right in front of me. Unless I'm blind. Buddy, you can't web in here, bro. Unless I'm blind. But I just saw a web fall down. Maybe I'm just seeing shit. Happens sometimes. I think I'm fine. I think we're fine. Okay, that's cool. I think moving forward. Yeah, the tangents are wrong. I don't know why the tangents are wrong. I don't know why. So to get this going across, we actually have to do this, which sucks to have to do that, but I think it's the only way to make it look natural. And then we just pull it across, I guess. No, I'm not seeing shit, bro. You gotta fuck off, buddy. Like, bro. This is not your neighborhood, bro. I don't get it, bro. Like, he's supposed to be scared of me. I'm the fucking human, bro. I will smack the shit out of you. As long as you aren't like a scary spider. What if I just did this across? No, I have to go get half of it. I have to get half of it and bring it across. Oh wait, no, let's do it correctly. What are we making? An apartment building. A weirdly made apartment building. But we're calling it intentional. We're celebrating the stairs. The birth of the stair walking logic, which doesn't actually fully work yet. But I don't care. Yeah, this shape is fucked up. That shape is so fucked. Oh my god. Holy. We gotta manually line this shit up real quick. Oh my god. I fucking extruded it by accident? Okay. Okay. I kind of fuck with this being sideways, you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Is there no edge down the middle? Why can't I select this edge? Hello? Select this edge. I guess it's an imaginary edge because of the triangulate thing. That's fine. That is fine. I kind of like the way it's shaped. I don't want to fix it. Okay. Time to grow up and pull it across. Oh wait, is it going out to here? I think it goes out to here. I think we need to extrude it twice. Those, what we need to do. Now I kind of want to bring this downwards, you know? You know what I mean? I kind of want to bring it downwards. You know, I'm rethinking this, and I'm thinking maybe I want this to connect to there and then have a curve to the bottom of it. I think that's kind of what I want to do. Is like this comes across, and so I'm just going to redo it. Because that's what I feel like doing. Yeah, but this is gonna be a tricky thing to deal with, for sure. Definitely gonna be a tricky thing to deal with. Okay, lock the fuck in. A lack of the ability to have loop cuts here is really unfortunate. God damn it. We're gonna split it? Is this how you split it? No, that's definitely not how you split it. You split it down the middle. Maybe I just have to grow up and knife tool this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. No, it didn't. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Or is it? Maybe it's more down here. Let me see with the... Yeah, it's got to be this one. It has to be this one. Do I like this? Like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah, yeah. It's a little bit weird, but I'm a little bit weird. Oh, fuck, you piece of shit. Piece of shit knife tool. You fucking asshole. Are you kidding me? Why didn't it snap? Now I've got to find the perfect angle again, you fucking asshole. Boom. Now I'm happy with that. Now I'm happy with that. Wait, aren't I supposed to have steps on this side? I totally forgot that I'm supposed to have steps on top of this. I can do it, it's fine. I just have to be careful. Because it is a bit strange and uneven. All right, are we ready to bevel it? I think I am, but I wanna extrude this out first. Oh. Here we go. I think I was doing like 20 something on the other ones. Yeah. Something like that. I want to take the top off of it so that we can get light in here. I think that's the end goal, is to just like have the light flooding in here and then see what that looks like. I think that would look completely sick. Really, there's no light that comes through? There's no light that comes through. Seriously? It's blocking it. Oh. That's what's blocking it. Holy fucking shit, it's right in here, bro. Chill. Bro, chill. It's actually the skybox, low-key. It's actually because I have it like this instead of having some amount of I wonder why it's so red. Is the skybox really red? No, right? wonder if it's like one of my debug things that I left in. Or maybe it's the grading that I have on. Yeah, this is just the light now. Huh. Yeah, I guess it is. I guess the skybox is technically somewhat red. Kind of. With my grading, it probably is. Yeah, yeah. It just warms it up so much. Surprisingly fast bake for probably the cursed topology that's on this thing. Surprisingly fast bake. I like it quite a bit, you know. I do like it quite a bit, you know. You asked me to enter, but then you make me cry. But I can't be home to you. Yeah, I feel like some really bright lights in here would be kind of crazy. Go kind of crazy. I like it. I wonder if it's the TBN that's wrong, or if it's the map normal itself. Holy fucking shit. Okay. So it is blue. Okay, so it's not the map normal that's wrong. It is the tangents. It is the tangents. I wonder why the tangents are wrong. Yeah, no clue. No clue. No clue. No clue why the tangents are wrong. Well, I've had a pretty long day. I started it early. I had to do an appointment, so I'm kind of tired, so I'm probably gonna end it here. So yeah, I'll be back soon. This was fun. It's fun to model. I think I just love this space. I really do. I like it a lot. I do still have to work on the stair stepping stuff. That is something that I have to do. I have to finish the last story to it. The last 2 stories, I think. It's so bright. I love how bright it is, my lookup table. It really is bright. But I think I made the lookup table with the intention of having like lower light happening. At least I think that was what probably was intentioned by it. Also, this doesn't have collision. Why does that not have collision? I have no clue. Yeah, I have no clue why. It's weird. Very weird. Oh, it's probably the normals that are backwards. We never actually. Oh yeah, we never actually fixed the normals. Or actually, no. It's our feet. It's our feet. Another thing that we have to fix. Yeah, our feet are just we're able to walk through walls now. Because we validate the position without actually checking if it's a valid position. That was the cost of getting the stairs to work. We can't jump either. So, need to work on that. Alright. For next time, till next time, I'm gonna go sleep. Peace out.